This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft 3 Reforged. First, ensure the game is installed and complete the initial tutorial to grasp fundamental controls and mechanics. Next, select one of the 4 distinct races: human, orc, undead, or night elf, each offering unique units and strategies. Spend some time understanding your chosen race's specific strengths and weaknesses. Finally, get comfortable with the game's interface, especially the minimap and command card, which are crucial for effective gameplay. Now, let's talk about resources and base building. You'll need to gather 2 primary resources: gold from gold mines and lumber from trees, using your worker units. Efficient resource collection is vital for expanding your base. Build an altar of heroes early to train your powerful hero unit, who gains experience and new abilities. Remember to construct farms or burrows to increase your food supply, allowing you to support a larger army. Upgrading your main building unlocks more advanced structures and units. Moving on to unit production and combat. Once you have resources, train a diverse army from your production buildings like barracks or war mills. Group your units and hero together for efficient control and movement across the map. During combat, strategically use your hero's powerful spells and your unit's unique abilities to gain an advantage. Always remember to scout the map frequently. Knowing your enemy's position and army composition is key to planning successful attacks and defenses. Finally, let's discuss advanced play and securing victory. Continuously research upgrades for your units and buildings to boost their combat effectiveness and resource gathering. Expanding your base to additional gold mines is crucial for maintaining a strong economy throughout the game. Practice coordinating your heroes' spells with your unit's abilities for powerful combinations in battles. To win, you must destroy all enemy main buildings or compel your opponents to surrender. Good luck and have fun playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.